Today, I am going to talk about a topic that is directly linked not only with our present, but also with our future. The topic is green technology and climate change. In today's era, while we feel proud of technological progress, we must also think about how this progress is affecting our planet and environment. What is climate change? Climate change is the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature, also known as global warming. These changes do not only affect the weather, but also have serious impacts on our health, economy, agriculture, and the entire ecosystem. Sea levels are rising, glaciers are melting, and many regions are facing floods, droughts, and hurricanes.
Major causes of climate change. Use of fossil fuels. Burning coal, oil, and gas produces carbon dioxide, which traps heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation. Trees absorb carbon, but when we cut them down, the natural balance is disturbed. Industrial pollution. Factories and vehicles release harmful gases that pollute the air. Excessive use of plastic. Plastic pollutes both land and oceans.
What is green technology? Now, the important question is, what is the solution to this problem? One of the most effective solutions is green technology. Green technology refers to innovations and methods that are environment-friendly. Technologies that provide energy and solutions without harming nature. Types of green technology. Solar energy, producing electricity from sunlight, which is an unlimited source. Wind energy, using wind turbines to generate power. Electric vehicles, cars that run on batteries instead of petrol or diesel, producing no smoke. Recycling systems, making waste material reusable to reduce the burden on Earth. Smart agriculture, using modern methods to save water and fertilizers while producing more crops. Green buildings, buildings designed to consume less energy and make maximum use of natural light and ventilation. Benefits of green technology. It does not pollute the environment, reduces energy costs, creates new industries and job opportunities, provides a healthier environment, secures the Earth for future generations. Challenges. Although green technology is very promising, there are some challenges. Its initial cost is higher compared to traditional technologies. Developing countries face resource limitations. Lack of public awareness and old habits. Slow response from governments and institutions. Future and our responsibility. If we truly want our next generations to live in a safe and healthy world, we need to take action now. We should promote solar and wind energy, minimize the use of plastic, plant more trees, and protect forests. Everyone must adopt eco-friendly habits in daily life. On a final note, climate change is a reality that cannot be ignored. Fortunately, we have a strong tool in the form of green technology. If we all work together to promote it, we can not only save our planet, but also build a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future.